Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple and complete guide on how to upload a custom font to Wix Studio in 2025. Whether you want a unique style for your brand or just want your website to stand out, this tutorial will make the process super easy. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Wix Studio website. You can type the URL directly or click the link I've added in the video description to save time. Next, log in to your Wix Studio account. For a fast and secure login, I recommend using the Continue with Google option. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to start customizing your website. Now, go to the page where you want your new font to appear. Click on the text element you want to change. This will bring up a toolbar with several formatting options. In the toolbar, click on the current font name to open the font drop-down menu. Here, you'll see all the standard fonts Wix offers, but we're going one step further. We'll add your very own custom font. Within the font menu, find and click Upload Fonts. Before you do, make sure your font file is in a compatible format like .ttf or .otf. A window will open, prompting you to locate your font file on your computer. Select the file and click Upload. The process might take a few seconds depending on your file size and internet speed. Once uploaded, your custom font will appear in the font list. Simply select it, and your chosen text will immediately reflect the new style. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded and applied a custom font to your Wix Studio website. And there you have it, a complete guide to uploading custom fonts in Wix Studio. Now your website can truly reflect your unique style. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.